everyone, how are you doing? Today I am going to show you a tutorial, actually part 1 of the main tutorial of a multi-level based game. So it's a rage game, and basically if you hit the walls, if you touch the walls, then you get reset to the starting point. So right now I have all of the basic commands set up, and I'll show you how to do each one of them. First we go to the costumes, and as you can see here, I just used the default sprite and the backdrops. So there's backdrop 1, which is the main screen, and when you touch screen, I will show you what it does later. And backdrop 2, which is just for testing purposes right now and to show you one of the main features. So backdrop 1, it already has the walls, and it has the green blob which you stand on to get teleported to the next backdrop. And we're gonna use the code. We're gonna see the code. So when up arrow or W is pressed, it moves up, down, or S, down, change Y by -5. Because if you don't know, in the Cartesian coordinate plane, which is the general coordinate plane used for most things, X and Y axes are the main axes. So X is left and right, Y is up and down. Positive Y is up, negative Y is down, positive X is right, negative X is left. So up and W changes Y by 5. Down and S changes Y by -5, which moves it down by 5 pixels. S changes Y by, up and W move it up. S and, down and S move it, down, -5. Right and D move it by 5 to the right, change X by 5. And left and A change it by -5. And when the start or the go flag is clicked, it will have a forever loop to check whether it's touching this color and whether it's touching the wall color. I'm going to keep the starting point at the same coordinates to make it simple. So it's -170 and Y11. Y -11. So as you can see, if we go onto the green, then it moves us to the next backdrop. That is going to be used for the levels, and once you beat the final level, then it's going to bring you to start over, and if you stand on the green, then it brings you back to the start. So if you walk onto here, then as you can see, it transports you to the next level by just switching the backdrop and teleporting you to the starting place. If you don't put the go to and then starting point, then it will just teleport you onto the next blob if the blob is in the same place, which will teleport you to the next level, which is not good. So I would recommend setting the starting point for the next level when you are going to code this, if you're going to code this. So if touching color green, switch backdrop to next backdrop, which just changes the levels, and go to the starting point. And if touching color black, which is the color for the wall, then it's going to teleport you back to the starting point. So yeah, that's basically it. That's part 1 of the multiple tutorials that I will be making about how to make a rage game in Scratch. Thanks for watching. Bye.